that way down there. All right, cool. So today we're going to be trying to do a try-hack-me bolt. Let me go ahead and fire up this machine. I'll do everything I need to do, so we're not waiting for that to fire up. Hooray! The machine is started. Let me start that script also. Alright, cool. So that looks like everything's working good. Yeah, OBS looks like it's working good and everything. Alright, cool. So everything looks like it's working just fine. Let me get my phone all started up and everything. So bolt's a little bit easier one. We're going to be using Metasploit for this one, like right here. I already did this one, like yesterday, where we went through Ignite together and tried to figure it out. But, yep, so we have about 18 seconds left. Let me go ahead and make a directory for this. CD into desktop. Try-hack-me bolt. Oh, I already got a directory for it, never mind. Do I even have anything in it? I do. Got something in there. I got bolt.py. What's that? Boom, boom. Or if I was just testing that one out, like right there. I don't think I have to use that at all. Let's go ahead and do an mmap scan on it. I'll just copy that IP address, put it right back into there. And let me go ahead and make that bigger. Alright, so it looks like we got something on port 80 and port 22 so far. So let's go ahead and check out port 80, see what that is. Alright, nothing much. Nothing that we really care about, like right there. We can try to do a dir search with that. CD dir search. Python 3 dir search py. We'll use that word list and everything. And we'll go ahead and put in our IP address here. So we can see if there's anything in there worth noting. Also go to, just not to waste time, we'll do a Rust scan on this guy also. 2280 8000, okay. So we got something on 8000 also, so let's see what that's all about. So we go to port 8000. And Bolt, a hero is unleashed. Alright. What are you all about? So we search. We got, hey guys, I suppose this is our secret forum, right? I posted the first message for our readers today, but there seems to be a lot of free space out there. Please check it out. My password is boltadmin123. Okay. Let's keep reading. So we got boltadmin123 as a password. That's pretty easy. That's Jake. That might be a username. Let's see. Hello everyone, welcome to my site. Myself, Jake, and my username is Bolt. So we got Bolt and boltadmin123. Alright. That was kind of easy. So Bolt and boltadmin123. Anything else on here that we can grab? So there's a question in here about finding what version you're using. That's actually not as easy as just throwing it into an mmap scan. Like I'll do an mmap scan like real quick. Mmap, boom, and we'll do port 8000. Alright, it's not as easy as just that. I had to actually look up like the different login areas online for it. And we'll start another thing over here too for our dir search. Well, if I could type, and we'll do port 8000 over here also. Hopefully you get to like a login forum or something like that. Port 8000. So we got Bolt, and then it was admin, right? You can stop this guy, I guess. So let's try to SSH into it, I guess. SSH Bolt. It was Bolt admin 123, right? Yes. Then we got Bolt admin 123. Alright, that doesn't look like it's it. Bolt admin 123. This is what it was, right? It was Bolt admin. Yeah, Bolt admin 123. I'm just gonna go ahead and copy it. Make sure I'm not messing something up here. Maybe it's on caps lock. It's not, but alright, so that's not his SSH password. We know that, okay. Cool. Might be a proxy, okay. But yeah, I'd actually go online because at first I was like, okay, well, they're using that PHP or whatever. And I'd actually go online and actually find like the login page and what version that was, which was a little crazy. But let's go ahead and do a search exploit for bolts, see if we find anything. And we do. We got bolt CMS. All right. So we got quite a few things in here. As I said, you saw that Pi one that I had like right there. So then I went with that was 3.7.0, the version, but it is not. If I go back over to here, we do. So we found CMS is right on port 8000. Bolt admin 123. The version is actually 3.7.1. So you just gonna have to kind of go with that. That was through me finding the login page and everything else. So let's see here. Maybe a second item. See if I get anything in here. Forgot where I found that login page at. That's nothing about all pages. See if we can find anything in here for login. One runner also is, can we just do like login? Is that one of them? Add blocks, records, log 404 not found. Okay. Still doing stuff down here. Alright. So let's go ahead and screw the login page. Let's go ahead and look it up, see if we find anything on Metasploit. So we'll do MSF console. We can exit out of here. Alright, we're in MSF console now. Let's go ahead and try to search bolt in here also, just to make sure. And we do. There's our bolt script right there. Let's go ahead and use 0. And it's authenticated, RC, remote code execution. So we know that we have an authentication, right? We know that we have, what is it, bolt and then bolt admin. So let's go ahead and do that like real quick. And I don't know if my camera is still working or not. Because, yeah, it keeps freezing for some reason. Keep having these camera issues. I think I'm just going to delete the camera device. So I'll just delete that. There we go. Alright, now you guys don't have to stare at me frozen. Alright, so I'll have to figure that one out. So let's go ahead and do show options for this. Oh, 1 second. Wife just texted me. The glue we can find at Kadena Arts and Craft Store. Oh wow. It is also a hardware type store, so if we can't find it on Amazon, who's at our PX? Awesome. Thank you, Audrey. Yeah, we moved to Japan, and all the houses over here are made out of cement, so hanging stuff on the wall is not as easy as just, like what we do back in America. So we'll go ahead and do an IF config like real quick. Alright, I'm using total 0. Right, so we'll go ahead and set lhost to ton 0. Show options again. And let's see what we have to set up here. So we got a port, and we're already on port 8000, so that's good. Some entries down here too. We should probably check that out. We got our password. We know that's bolt admin 123. We need that. We need our host, obviously. We also, our target URI, I guess I'll just keep it as that, like right there. And then our username. So let's go ahead and put in that information. So let's go ahead and set our password as bolt admin 123. Set our username, right, as bolt. And then we'll set our host as I don't remember what. There we are. There we go. And let's go ahead and just try to run it, and we'll see what happens. And while that's running, I'm going to go ahead and check out entries like real quick, see what that's doing. So we did have a nice little entries guy they found. So let's see if that finds us anything over there. But this guy looks like target is vulnerable. So it's definitely doing its thing. Entries. Okay, this is just like the blog kind of thing, like right here. So, and finally if we go to the Bolt site, I think that's actually the internet, like the actual Bolt site. No response, may have executed blocking payload. Oh no. Let's see what happens. Bolt site, pages. Yeah, see, this is Bolt CMS.io. I think this is the actual Bolt site. So that's kind of out of scope, like right there. Go home, which I believe we're already here actually. See here, we got anything? Okay, well, I'm root. There we go, alright, cool. Which Python, guess we don't need is anything else, huh? Doesn't look like we have Python here though. Okay, let's go ahead and cd back into root. And do we have anything in here? Nope, cd into /home. Have anything in here, like bolt? Okay, there's a flag. So let's cat that flag. So we found one flag, alright. Now let's go ahead and cd into bolt. We got reboot.sh. So we reboot the shell. We got cron, jobs in here, things like that. Are we actually done with this guy since there was nothing in root? I mean, there it is, yeah. So that was it. Found that one on exploit DB, but then we just used Metasploit. I guess we could try to run that Python one. Like I said, I wasn't having much luck with it last time. Let's go ahead and cd and do my thing and see if we can do that. What's up, bud? He's having a blast over there. Just want to cd in the desktop. I guess we could try that one. Was it bolt? And we got bolt.py. So let's go ahead and nano that bolt.py and see if there's anything we can put into here. User bin Python. Okay. Pip install. Attack all requirements. Alright, let's see here. Username. Sysarg. So usage bolt py, the URL, the username, and the password. So let's try that. So I'm actually going to stop this down here, just so I have that information right there that I need up here. And this one was the one that was on SearchPloit, just so you know. So we'll cd desktop try hack me bolt. Okay, then we'll do a bolt.python, bolt.py. Then we'll do the URL, which was at 8,000, right? Is that like right there? HTTP. Oh, actually, I only need to put that in since I copy that thing, don't I? Oh, got some little bit of mess up here. That's okay. There we go. All right, the username, which is bolt, and then the bolt admin 123, and let's see if that does anything. Okay, bolt.py, syntax error, no executing declared. Maybe we do actually have to put in a period slash. Try that. Not found, not found. Let's see what happens here. Syntax error, word unexpected. Alright, so a lot of syntax errors in here. Page URL, bolt login. Okay, so it's /bolt/login. So we try that like real quick up here. You know, we already rooted this machine, but that only took about 5 minutes, so I'm just kind of messing around now. So we got /bolt/login, and we should actually be able to put in bolt, then bolt admin 123. Don't save. We got quite a few syntax errors here. Where's the other one at? Line 23. Syntax error, we're not expecting. Boom, boom. User login. It's like I'm way past line 23 like right now. We're already in the thing, but yeah, I feel like I'm way past line 23. Yeah, usage. Maybe it's Python 3. Python 3. Bolt.py. URL. Boom. Username. Bolt. Bolt admin 123. Oh, well, got a little bit farther that time. Traceback file token equals soup find all index error list index out of range. So file home Cali desktop triami bolt.py line 6 modules. I'm not good enough at this kind of stuff yet to really know. So it's token. I don't know if it's 2.get. I'm not really good enough at this stuff yet. Not John Hammond. Super next error, listen to the next out of range. Try again. Okay. Just had to get rid of that slash. So that's how you do it with the, oh, come on now. Okay. We're getting somewhere. It's finding stuff. Enter OS command for exit to quit. So who am I? Whoa. Root. Awesome. So can we PWD? We can get that as ugly, but okay. Home bolt public file, so we can CD back into home bolt. Last tech LA. It's gonna look ugly, but that's okay. And yeah, we got all this stuff in there. All right, cool. So CD. I don't know where the hell I found that flag at. I can't do like CD period. Home bolt public files. We're not really getting very far with this now, are we? CD or root. Can I do that? We got in them like this, but we're not getting anywhere. We can't like CD anywhere. I guess I could always cat something, huh? Shadow password. I guess we could try to do like a cat / Etsy shadow or something like that. Yes, we can. And there we go. There's all that like right there. So we could always just try to just crack this with like John the Ripper or something like that. Let's go ahead and put this into a file. Oh, whoopsie daisy. Control X. No, I do not want to save. All right, cool. So we figured out at least how to use it, and we're able to cat stuff, things like that. So that's good. So let's go ahead and do a nano shadow.txt. Actually, move that to bolt shadow.txt to bolts shadow.txt. Let's go ahead and do a John for bolt shadow.txt. Let's see if we can crack anything here. We're going to give it a minute or so, see if we can crack it or not. Let's try to do it with a word list. Word list equals user. There we go. Let's try that. We'll see if that works. Like I said, I'm only going to give it a minute or so. I don't think it's bolt admin 123, so we don't really need to actually do that. But I was kind of hoping they get like SSH in or something like that. I guess I wonder if we can like echo a file in here. So if we could like I don't know, echo test. We'll save that to test.txt. We do something like that. Yeah, we can test.txt. So then we could try like. So that's cool. Okay, so we could definitely like try to do different things with that. Like, you know, make ourselves SSH, stuff like that. But I mean, we're in it. This one's a lot prettier over here. We don't have Python here, but that's okay, because we found what we needed. I can't do like a sudo tag-l, can I? Okay, yeah, I can just run everything. All right. Nice, easy. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Like right there, did not think it was gonna be that fast. First time I went through it, it wasn't that fast, obviously. But yeah, there you go. There's Bolt CMS version 3.7.1, and getting into that pretty quickly with both the Python script that SearchPoint gave us, and also the also within Metasploit.